Are you looking for the perfect blend of style and comfort this Christmas? Check out my top picks for casual and holiday outfits from J.Crew Factory that will keep you cozy and comfortable this holiday season. So this is my first time to shop at J.Crew Factory. I've never bought anything from there, so this is going to be my honest opinion, the sizing, the pricing, what you get for your dollar. But let's get into it. So when I think of kind of like a casual Christmas, and I'm thinking like maybe a dinner party, maybe a little girls get together, I always think of velvet, like just something shiny is kind of what I'm thinking of. So I saw these pants, these high shine wide pleated pants. They have like a sheen to them. They also have them in like a hot pink. I got these in I believe a 6. I got them in a 6 tall. And the reason why is because they're tall. I mean, they're regular is a 30-inch inseam. And I really wanted to wear these with like a tall heel. So these were $49, $49.50, plus I got another 25% off on these. And I thought for that price, I wanted to use them as a dual function type pant. I want to be able to wear them dressy. And I also was thinking like if you had to go to work and you do something else. So I wanted the tall because I really wanted to wear these with a high heel. So just remember that I'm 5'7". Most of my height is in my waist. I have shorter legs, but a longer waist. So, but I really like these. They're very light and airy. They have a lining inside. They have a lining. They don't have a belt loop, which is fine because I'm not a huge belt person. It's double clasped, but I thought the wide leg, and they're just very light and airy, and that is what I like about them. Now, they are lined up here, and then this is a little bit more sheer, but I thought they were gorgeous. This, I paired it with their classic tartan pattern. I really like this. I would wear this just with jeans on its own year round with like maybe a black blazer. I would wear it by itself. I would wear it with any kind of, like even like a navy blazer would look good with this. A brown blazer would look good with this. This is their modern one. So I did go up a size because I wanted a little bigger. I got a large. I love button-ups. This is a cotton. It's not as long. I will say it's not oversized long like that. I would say this is probably true to size if you want it more form-fitting or show your waist a little bit more. That's not the look I like with button-ups. I like them to be a little oversized. I think they look really good, but I love the red and black and the blue and the yellow. This is a classic tartan pattern, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, I paired it with these black pants. I put a red cashmere top or a sweater already had over it. And it kind of just made it a little bit more Christmassy, I think. And this would be great for like a work party, a girls' night out. If you just want something that you can always keep in your closet, like a closet staple, but make it a little Christmassy. And I felt like this pattern can be considered Christmassy. And then I topped it with a red sweater. So that was outfit number 1 look. And then obviously I had a 4-inch heel, like a suede heel with that. So this was really cute and comfortable. And I'm all about comfortable, like all the time now. I also paired the red sweater with just some black Zara jeans. And I had this tartan shirt on, again, just to show you got stuff in your closet, and just kind of think a little out of the box. And it's just to me closet staples. And I've got a little outfit. This would just be good for a cookie exchange, a bunko, a book club, just something to look a little festive. Maybe it's not a big party, but you just want to look a little festive. And this is the way I would do it. I wanted to tell you about these shoes. Oh my gosh, are these not the cutest shoes? To me, this is what dressed up the little outfit. When I wore these with the Zara jeans, they're super soft. They're made by A New Day. They're Target. Can you believe that? They look like Milano Blahniks. I'm probably saying that wrong. But these are so cute. This is like a satin with this little thing. I don't know. They're really comfortable, true to size. I really like these. But they kind of dress up, you know, an outfit to make it a little pizzazzier at night, if you will. My next outfit number 3 that I wore. Okay, so I love velvet. To me, velvet screams holiday. It screams winter. I just love it. So they had a green. I'm a sucker for velvet too. Let me just tell you. They have a green. What is this? The Kaylee pant. They did not have a tall in this. This is just the regular. I believe this is the 30-inch inseam. This is super cute. I got a 6 and a 4 because I wasn't sure. Like I said, I haven't bought anything and it didn't really say too much online. So I bought a 6 and a 4. And the first outfit I'm showing you, I have the 6 pant on. I feel like after I tried the 4 on, I felt like the 4s fit me in my waist more. I'm not sure. I think I have a couple of clips of me kind of pulling up my pant. I feel like I need to, if I'm going to keep these, I need to have them cropped at my ankle. I don't know what it is. You tell me your thoughts. My daughter said no, she wouldn't do it, but I don't know what it is. I feel like they're not long enough. So if you're in 5'6" and below, the inseam will probably work out for you. But I just thought this green was just so pretty. I just really like it. And again, you can wear it with this. I mean, all this is you can wear in and out together. I mean, it's all staples. This blazer, I mean, I got it in a 6. I love this blazer. It's so nice. It is, like I said, this just reminds me of old J.Crew, how they would line it with the little polka dots. The button was velvet. It did not have pockets. These are faux pockets. But I just thought the structure of it and the fit of it fit me really good. I really like this. Now, I also tried it with these black pants, the high shine pants. And what I did was I didn't wear a shirt underneath it. I was like, how can I make this look a little bit more fancier? And I thought, I wanted to not wear a shirt underneath it and pull it as tight as I could. I need a sparkle belt, like a rhinestone belt, I think would kind of jazz it up if I wanted to keep these 2 and then wear them out for an evening during the holiday. I just think, I don't know, something about a rhinestone belt. And I think I just had like a super high heel with that. But I thought those looked very, very cute. And I just thought, you know, just that one rhinestone belt would just make it feel like holidays. It feels like sparkles. And you know what? You don't have to wait for a holiday to wear any kind of sparkle. You can wear it whenever you want. You know, we're all over 50 and we have no rules anymore. We do what we want. So if you want to wear sparkles and rhinestones during the day, you do it, girl. Took the velvet green pants in the size 4 when you see this clip, and I paired it with this red and white striped pinstripe shirt. And then I threw the cashmere sweater over it. And then I paired it with these green shoes I bought. These are velvet shoes. These are true to size 8. See, they were $49.50 and I got 25% extra off. They had them in 3 colors, black, green, and a burgundy. They're really, really comfortable. And I paired it with that. That is kind of, to me, maybe a little over the top Christmas outfit. No, you know, if you just want to be a little extra, there you go. I thought it was cute. It's kind of like, I wanted to try these green shoes out with the green pants and they pretty much match. This is more of a very velvety. This is I don't know what you call it, but it's thicker, like a thicker velvet. Almost like, it's not as plush. Let me just put it that way. But the 4s, I think, fit a little bit better around my waist and stuff. I just feel like they're just a tad too long. So again, let me know down below. Okay, next outfit that is super casual that I think you're gonna love is what I'm wearing right now. I mean, this, I had no idea. This top right here, the red top, is a sweatshirt. Like, it's a lightweight sweatshirt. It feels super comfy inside. The little tartan pattern on here is so cute. They also have it in black. I don't know. This is definitely me in my comfy zone, but I just thought the 2 together is definitely J.Crew. look. It's super comfortable if you want to wear the day of on Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, and you want to wear some leggings. You still look, you know, a little put together. It's got the little rhinestones. I just think it screams Christmas to me, and I absolutely love it. It's so comfortable. I've been on the hunt to find wide leg jeans, and I came across these. These are their classic wide leg all day jeans with a little stretch. I got the Port Side Azure Wash. It's the darker of the two. I did buy size down because of what the reviews say, and I would say that is correct. There is a little too much stretch if you get your normal size. They are a 30-inch inseam. They did not have an option. They had an option for petite, which I think petite is a 28 inseam. Yeah, 28 inseam for petite. It's 33 for tall, which they show here that they offer it because they have the sizing, but they didn't have any. Anyways, I've been looking for a dark pair. These were really, really comfortable. I was really impressed with these. I really liked them. They had just enough stretch. Like, I want them to feel like jeans, like a jean material. They're 99% cotton, so there you go. They got that 1% elastane. That's the perfect kind of jean. I usually wear like a rigid Levi jean. So to me, I like the feeling of this with just a hair of a stretch. So remember to size down. So I really like these. Obviously, white shirt, you can do anything with these. The next outfit, I paired with the jeans again, and I paired it with this super cute. It has a tartan. It's like you're wearing two shirts, but you're not. So it's got the tartan pattern at the top. It also has it at its sleeve. It's like 90% cotton, I believe, or excuse me, 58% cotton, machine washable, all the things, but it had this cute little gold, but it's lightweight. It looks like it's double layered, but it's really cute. They have it paired with a light pair of jeans, which I think looks really good. And you can also wear it with these shoes. I think would be really cute as well because they're kind of the same green, but I think a light pair of pants or jeans would look really good. But I just paired it with the dark color. But then again, you can wear it with like a black pair of jeans, a black dress pant. It's just endless possibilities. But then again, it goes back to all these pieces are just so good, just staples in your closet. The last but not least, the one thing you might really think is Christmas or screams Christmas is a tartan skirt. I love this. So this classic A-line tartan skirt is 55% wool. It's lined inside, just the red. What I also like about it, if you need to hem it, it's easy to hem. The lining isn't attached. I do like that. It makes it a little easier. This is a 19-inch skirt. I do feel for me, and since I have shorter legs, kind of shorten it a little bit. I know a lot of people will probably say, no, it's fine, but I just don't have a lot of legs. So proportionally, it would look a little bit better if I shortened it. But I just paired it with a black plain t-shirt and a black blazer and some black leggings or black little tights. And then I just paired them with these shoes. They show them with just like a white collared shirt that would look really cute. But anyways, I really like this. A lot of people, I would just wear this with like a black bodysuit, a long sleeve with a turtleneck, black cashmere sweater turtleneck. I would just wear it with something like that, or a white button up, crisp button up, I think would look cute. With just some black flats, maybe just ballet flats would look really cute. But I really like this. I think this is super cute. I love a tartan pattern. I just love it. It just like, hello, it says wintertime. But all of these, I was, like I said earlier, I'm just so impressed with J.Crew Factory. I had no idea that the quality is so good and things are lined and they've got the great detail with, everything. I just was highly, highly impressed. I do want to try some more things out from there. I mean, I love all the plaids. I mean, I'm totally here for the plaids and all that. They've got some striped button downs that are really good. Their shoes, I was really kind of impressed with their shoes, to be quite honest. I thought, oh, they're going to be like some cheapo shoe, but no, these are, to me, These scream Sam Edelman. Have you seen the Sam Edelman ones? I mean, these for like less than $49. I mean, hello. You can get the black and wear them with everything. But overall, I'm really impressed with the J.Crew factory and what they offer. And I hope you find these inspirational photos and something you can get in your closet and feel like a little holiday, but you feel a little casual too. So thank you for sticking around. Until next time, I hope you enjoy your holidays. Until then, bye.